Welcome to the SimScope out-of-the-box video. SimScope comes with the following components which give you a complete solution to your auscultation training. Once you unbox your SimScope and open the black carrying case that it comes with, you will find the following: SimScope training stethoscope, flash drive with the SimScope software to be installed on a Windows 10 device, USB cable, 7 sets of 15 patches which are to be placed either on standardized patients or mannequins, and a product manual which is also available online. If you're interested in finding out more about SimScope or any other auscultation training solutions by Cardionics, please visit our website or contact your local sales representative. Thank you.